Simple coding. Challenging fun. LEGO creations come to life with LEGO Boost. Using the free app and their tablets, kids can code behaviors into whatever they create. Build 5 different models from one set, and each model has its own cool features and commands. LEGO Boost is fun and educates your builder through play. Start inspiring their future with LEGO Boost. Build, code, play.
Hi, I'm Camilla. I'm 10 years old and I love coding.
Hi, my name is Zane. I'm 12 years old and I love coding too.
I thought coding was going to be boring, but Ozobot makes it a lot more fun.
I've played with a lot of STEAM toys. Some were educational but pretty boring. Some were fun but don't really teach you anything. Ozobot is fun and educational.
Let me show you how I learned to code using games and activities.
Are you guys ready for something fun, creative, and teaches you
Problem solving, critical thinking,
and introduces you to computer science?
Computer science.
So this is the Ozobot starter pack. I have the red one.
And I have the blue one.
So do you want to open it?
Let's go for it. As you can see, we have plenty of stuff we can show you. But what should we show them first, Zane?
Well, before anything else, you have to start with calibration. To calibrate your Ozobot, you want to hold down the power button for 2 seconds until it turns white. Then you put it down inside the black circle. When it turns green, you know you're good.
As you know, we have a ton of things to show you, such as decorating skins with stickers and pop-outs.
We also have over 20 activities that you can have your fun with, and markers that you can make your own adventures with.
This is my favorite part, the stickers.
And the pop-outs! But before you do anything, I recommend putting on the clear skin. It's easier to put on these awesome customizations.
Let's do it. Zane, look at my Ozobot.
Cool, look at mine.
Nice.
Let's start color coding with the markers.
But what is color coding?
Well, color coding is where you put different combinations of colors together and Ozobot recognizes them.
Like go left, go right, jump forward, U-turn, and so many others.
Let's go!
Let's do this.
In order to get you familiar with these codes, we have some markers here that you can draw these with. So just copy them down. This is one of the easiest ways that you can learn coding.
Just like that. As you can see, coding is a lot of fun. You can make custom markers.
And pre-made sticker codes.
Forget about the website.
Oh yeah. For more information on Ozobot, visit ozobot.com. Did you have fun?
Of course. It's Ozobot.
Good job, girl.